Hey everybody, it's Kristen here, Lazy C. Please ignore the fact that I look like a bum. We don't currently have water at home. We live at Weber's Falls in Oklahoma. It's a little tiny town that is being devastated by flooding. And although my house is high enough up, I didn't have to evacuate, but that does mean that a lot of our utilities are not going to be working. We had another rainstorm last night, and it's pretty rough on us, so I'm out here checking the animals, making sure everybody's okay. Does anybody else's chickens love pasta? They fight over pasta. I don't know why. It was something easy to make last night that wouldn't make a huge mess, so we had pasta. That's my girls. There's one sitting still, even though she's only on a wooden egg. Here's my little Bannies, and that is Seabass. He fights with my son, so that's the reason why he's not become dinner yet. And he generally just leaves everybody else alone. And we've got 4 turkeys. They're cute as a bug. Yeah, he's got a big voice over there, poor little guy. There's another Banny too, but I don't see her. Let's see. Get in this chicken coop. Hi, babies. Yes, there she is. She's a baby Banny. Hello, guys. You see they're all hand raised, so they're friendly. Yeah, you've got the prettiest green eyes of any chicken. Before I put them in this coop, they were, oh, well, ground's still really wet. They were getting to graze quite a bit. So now that they're not, they're a little not so happy about it. They're pretty friendly. I'm going to come over here and I will show you guys the newest addition to our little homestead. And so far they've been doing pretty good with all this weather. You can probably hear them. I got some new baby goats. They're sweet. I really enjoy them. This is Winona. She has blue eyes. And then down here we have Dolly and Reba. And they are actually out of a set of triplets. Winona is a set of twins, and she had probably the prettiest little buck I've ever seen. He's gray and roan. And down here, puppies. I have 3 puppies if anybody would like them. I've been trying to raise registered border collies for years. She apparently just likes mutts, because that's what she gets bred by. And we'll come over here. We'll go check the other 3 goats. Those 3 goats are all girls, by the way. They're 3 new ones. They're 2 months old, give or take. And, you know, they're the cutest little things I've ever seen. Got a really good deal on them. Our 2 bigger nannies that got bred late, they should be having their kids anytime soon. But here's the thing. It is so wet here that we have standing water in places. And I really hope they don't decide to kid in the middle of a rainstorm. We do have them kind of in a higher spot, it being back here behind the house. Our house and the 10 or so acres of our property is the highest spot around us. So, see our Goat fence is actually holding up pretty well. Still no kids. Look at the goat. He likes this. He just doesn't want to let you know it. My baby goat. You see, her belly's dropped quite a bit, so she should be having hers any time. Mama, on the other hand, she's holding strong. She is the mama to this one. And this one is a set of twins. Her belly's been dropped for a little while. And it'll be her first kid, so her first kidding, so we don't know if it's going to be. I think there's just one in there, which is fine. It'll actually be our first kids out of him. He's just a year old. He's got a big bag though. Anyway, just thought I'd check on our little critters, the ones close to the house, and that he's trying to eat is honeysuckle. He has ate honeysuckle until he's literally sick, and they all love it, but he will pull the trees down to get to it. I need to get my husband out here with the chainsaw to cut down the small trees and let them just finish eating them. That's what we should have done in there. Instead, I've got leaves coming back on some of it. But that's okay. I will get a chainsaw that I can operate eventually, and I will cut it down myself. Come here, little goat. Hi, baby. Right there. Yeah. Good girl. But yeah, thought I'd give y'all an update on what's going on. All this tragic flooding. The whole town of Webbers Falls, which is where I went to school, kindergarten through senior year, and where I've lived pretty much my entire life, is underwater. I didn't ever live in town, but, you know, it's all underwater. They said it's at like 45 feet, maybe. So that would be, they said, I mean, if you look at the aerial pictures, the feed store is underwater, the FFA show barn is underwater, everything. And we're just helpless, because we don't know what to do. It's all been super devastating. But, you know, maybe out of all this we can get a little shine of hope and have some new little kids running around out of those two cute little nannies. And well, we'll see what we can do. Me and puppies. Like I said, I have 3 puppies. They're Anatolian Shepherd and Border Collie. And I will give them away. They're 6 weeks now, so interested. Hit me up. I'm located in Webbers Falls, Oklahoma. They'll be good little guard dogs, though. Good for livestock. Already showing an inclination to want to be with goats. They get in the pen with the baby goats all the time. But yeah. Ooh, man. Gotta yawn. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning. So, yep. Y'all just take care, stay dry, and God bless.